G'day, here's a parcel of knobbies from Lightning Ridge, still encased in the parent clay material. Rules and millimetres, the material's wetted. What you're seeing over here is the light reflections. This is just being sold as specimens rather than much of a promising lot of opal. But we'll go in a bit closer so I can show you a few of the pieces. Some of these are quite large, like that piece, but like I say, there's not a lot of colour. Here's one piece with a little piece of crystal knobby in it. But, there's not a lot of that type material in here. If you grind some of this off, you might find something, but they're mostly being sold as specimens. There's a piece of white that's in there. It's part of this deal. Still could have come from Lightning Ridge. The white material does come from up there. Mostly it's just curios. There's a piece with a little bit of colour showing through in a few spots. So I don't know if I dropped that before, got it on camera. But it is what it is. It's cheap. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.